So this video is going to be if you guys have kids. I want to share this with you guys. So the biggest difference in this car and the Accord is the back seat is substantially smaller. So I want to show you what a full-size car seat looks like. If you guys are thinking about getting this car and you have one or two car seats, that make a huge difference. But I'll show you how it fits in the car here. It's definitely a lot tighter, I will say that. The one thing about this car is the back seat suffers. So, and this is how I drive it. I'm not tall. So let me show you how it fits here. So, you see there's not a whole lot of room. And this isn't even the biggest car seat. They have bigger car seats than this. But not a whole lot of room. And the way these are designed, they kick the feet up. So luckily, I'm going to buy a new car seat because my son can be in a booster now. So those are a lot smaller. But if you are just starting out and you have to run one of these for, 4 years, just know that there's not a whole lot of, this space right here, I would say it's about 8 inches. And me being 5'9", if you're taller than that and slide your seat back, it's got to be substantially smaller. So, one thing to take note, I will say that. From this side, if you only have 2, it's fine. One on each side. But if you're trying to fit 3 people back here with a car seat, that middle person's going to have no room at all. So, I just wanted to share that with you guys to give you an honest opinion of it. It makes a difference. Hope that helps you guys out. And at least if you go look at these cars, you'll know that. And definitely test fit your car seat before you buy it, because that might make a deciding factor. Okay? So I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.